Well, many of you are familiar with the Daystate Delta Wolf, the Alpha Wolf, and the new Daystate Alpha Wolf Safari Edition with the bronze monocoque frame, the textured stock, and most importantly, the new valve, that ultra fast flow valve inside. And the question that you're gonna have is, if I have a Daystate Delta Wolf or an Alpha Wolf, should I upgrade? Is it really worth it? And the answer to that for you is yes, it is. Now, for me as a retailer, I have to upgrade because I want to give my customers the very best, and I think other retailers will do the same with existing stock, but this valve roughly gives between 12 and 15% more efficiency and power. Really quickly, I do want to mention something philosophically about Daystate that I really like. There's a lot of companies out there that do different iterations of guns, different generations, Mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ad infinitum. And something that I really appreciate about Daystate is when they put a platform forward, that gun is good. It's just a good, solid platform. It has everything it needs to have as is. You don't need to throw $1,500 of add-ons and different upgrades to make it shoot like it should. It's shooting as it should, coming out of the factory, and it's a beautiful gun. Yes, there's accessories like bag riders, cheek pieces, and PRS stocks, that kind of stuff, but the gun coming out of the factory is totally solid, and that's something I really appreciate as a retailer, because when a customer buys a Daystate gun, they're getting creme de la creme from the get-go. There's no need to upgrade. So the answer to this question is a little bit subjective. If you have an existing Delta Wolf or an Alpha Wolf, it's going to be shooting wonderfully. You don't need this valve to necessarily get the kind of performance that you've been getting already with the gun. However, that said, the subjectivity comes in here. If you want more power for whatever application you're doing, like shooting slugs, or maybe going very long distances, or maybe some hunting applications, or you just want a little more efficiency shot to shot, I think that the upgrade is definitely worthwhile doing. I do want to say a big thank you to Airguns of Arizona for making this video happen. If you're interested in the Delta Wolf, the Alpha Wolf, or the Alpha Wolf Safari Edition, go to airgunsofarizona.com, atlasairguns.com, or check out your local retailer. You guys have a good day.